Welcome back to the Crypto Airdrop channel. Today, I'll introduce you to a completely free airdrop program. The project I'd like to share with you is called UNICH. This project is a crypto exchange platform that has just launched and is offering massive rewards of up to 50% of its total supply. The project has a clear roadmap and plans to launch its testnet in the future. Currently, the project is running an airdrop program. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to support our team. Let's dive into how to join the UNICH project's airdrop. First, click on the link provided. The link is in the description of this video. Use your email to register. And enter the verification code sent to your email address. Set a password that meets the 4 requirements listed below. You can enter our channel's referral code to support us and receive an additional 50 points. Or you can simply skip this step. Welcome to UNICH's airdrop dashboard. Here, you'll complete the tasks required by the project. Let's start with the social media tasks. First, follow the Twitter page. Once you've done that, enter your Twitter account to verify. Next, join UNICH's Discord group and similarly. Provide your Discord username for verification. The next task is to subscribe to UNICH's Telegram channel and join their group. Don't forget to enter your Telegram username to complete this task. After that, subscribe to the project's YouTube channel. Then, repost and like a designated post on Twitter. After completing this, copy the link and submit it for verification. There are many other tasks you can complete on your own to earn more points. Additionally, you can invite friends to join the project to earn extra rewards. That wraps up my introduction to the UNICH Airdrop project. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to the channel to stay updated on promising projects in the near future. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.